Hey, Tubi Tubers. Well, we're in New Jersey, South Jersey, and it's weather check time. Excuse me, miss, but could you cook me a bowl of snow, please? Oh, thank you. Nice. Where'd you get that snow? Do you know where that snow's been?
Yeah.
Not where the dogs go, right?
Ready? I'm gonna see.
Look at this, guys.
I'm gonna see if I can flip it.
Flip it.
Nope.
Nah.
You got packet.
Let's look out here. There's our tree. Poor tree. We got some drifts going.
Excuse me?
Woo! Wonder how my friends in North Carolina are doing. Picker Rick. Wonder how old Picker Rick's doing.
Nice crushed snow.
We got beach snow. Look down that way.
Yay!
Whoa! Let's see if I can get a down the street view. Zoom in a little.
We'll see if I can do that again.
It's not too bad. I've seen worse than this, but we got drifts.
3, 2, 1. Yeah!
Awesome.
You should get hot water.
It's where they play basketball. I wonder if our lights work.
I landed it.
All right. So anyway, little weather report. It's a little breezy, a little snowy.
It's like 60 miles per hour.
Go, huh?
What is it, like storm of 2018 already?
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
Yeah,
And they just
get
said,
it right.
did you hear? We got schools closed tomorrow, and it's blizzard till this time tomorrow even, possibly later. So anyway, I haven't seen it like this in a couple years.
I've almost never seen it like this except when I was little. I don't remember that.
Remember we built the alien snowman?
That was good.
What's Emma doing?
She should have socks on. Where's your socks?
Yeah.
Put something on your feet.
Yuck.
Yep, not much to really show after this. Oh, there's big drifts back in there.
Wrong way.
Oh, look over there too. You could play in them
Oh yeah. Me and Emma,
between the houses.
if you saw this area, it was like almost like another half of that size, and we had him jump in it. Over there? Yeah.
Well, it's a little chilly, so we're going to go in. But remember, kiss, love, and hug a vet, especially when they're cold like this, right?
Yeah.
Peace out.